Now you can see how Silverback rebuilt this 2x4. Yeah, it's not perfect, right? So it's not the prettiest thing in the world. Now, if we had a lot of extra time, we could come in here and sand this and level it out and make it ultra pretty. But this is an older deck system. It's not a new $2 million deck system, right? So the whole goal here was just to salvage this 2x4. And we have. We've salvaged it. We cut all the rot out of it, and now the Silverback, it's harder than concrete. I could literally beat on this with a hammer, and I've done it in other videos, and this is not going anywhere. So a good repair here with the Silverback, and what it's done, I'll tell you what it's done for these deck owners, is it's made it to where we didn't have to dissect this rail, take all the spindles off of it, break it down, pull the 2x4 off, put a new 2x4 on, and then rebuild all that. So it cut down on some man hours, which ultimately in this day and age saved them a great deal of money. And standing from here, you would never know the difference. It looks just like a 2x4. You only see the imperfections when you get up close. All the rot was cut out, and now that board is stronger now than it ever was, and we saved them from restoration. Okay, so it probably saved them at least $400 or $500 there from having to break that down and do that. And that's cool. That's a cool tool to have in your arsenal, right?